Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we are going to be installing these rain guards or side visors to the Acura TL. So the first thing you guys want to do before you install your window visor is clean the trim edge where the double-sided tape is going to be going to. I'm just using 70% rubbing alcohol. And you just want to wipe down the edge. Look, all this dirt and debris came right off. Take a clean rag, put it right back over it. Now you're ready to install your window visor. Made it easier. I put a little cut right here, peel it off to the side, and do all corners. And this, fortunately, already came with 3M double-sided tape. If you don't have any, you can run to your local hardware store. They should be able to find it for you very easily. So first thing you want to do is just line it up to where it is that you want. Just a couple of sticks. And then from where you previously had cut it, just want to peel slowly while applying pressure. Alright, there you have it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other side and this side and put this on time lapse. We'll see how it looks when I'm done. took about 10 minutes, and it looks pretty good, I think. It was pretty quick, it was painless. It costs usually around 25 to 30 bucks on eBay. You guys can find them. so easily, and I think it makes the car look really nice. Thanks for tuning in.